In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply disable Microsoft Edge View. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you're going to do is that you want to go over to your settings. So simply click on this start icon and then click on settings and then click on apps. At your left side of your screen, click on apps, then click on installed apps. Then what you're going to do now is you're going to search for Microsoft Edge. Microsoft. So search for Microsoft Edge. And once you do that, as you can see, here's my Microsoft Edge right over here. If I click on these three dots and then it gives me the option to uninstall, or if it gives you the option to uninstall, you want to click on the uninstall option, and that should simply delete the WebView. But as you can see, mine says that I cannot uninstall. So if yours says the same, what you can simply do is that you can exit the settings, then go over to your services.msc. Services.msc. You can simply do that by clicking on Windows and the R key, and this should easily open this tab. So click on Windows icon plus the R key and then type in services.msc, then click on OK. And then this tab is going to pop up. What should I do now? So you're going to scroll down and locate any services linked with Microsoft Edge. And then if you find one, for example, I found this one right over here. I found 1, 2, 3. Once you find one of them, double click on them. And then what you're going to do now is you're going to change their startup type. So you can simply go over to the startup type option, which is this one right over here, and change it from manual to disabled. And then you can simply click on apply, then OK. And that should easily solve your problem. But in order for this to really solve your problem, you need to first restart your laptop or PC, and then that should solve your problem. So if you've tried what I've told you or what I showed you and it works, please comment in the comment section below. If it doesn't work, you can comment too. And with that said, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.